We are in the last month of 2020 and we have to plan for 2021, and we have to understand that what should we are going to do in 2021 to make a successful career, to make money online. I will be going to give you all the information about 2021, where you are going to start your own strategies, and it should be successful strategies where you are going to make thousands of dollars per month. In this video we are going to discuss each and everything. Let's get started. First, we are going to see that different online business are going to boost in 2021, and among them we better understand that e-commerce business is going to grow in 2021. If you have not started your e-commerce business yet, then you have to think about that, and I believe that you should not think about that, but you have to start straight away and going to build your e-commerce website. And that is the reason that we have seen that COVID-19 has affected many people, employment and businesses, and therefore we have found that people just went through different disasters and they are feeling very depressed and anxiety problems while being unemployment. Now, the reason why I'm suggesting you to start your e-commerce business, because e-commerce will be like trading business and you can get easily success while making your e-commerce business. Now, the benefit of e-commerce business is that it will not affect while any pandemic or anything else, because you are at home and you are going to sell your product directly online to all the customers which you are going to see. Therefore, e-commerce business will give you a lot of benefit, and it will also is the requirement of current scenario where we need to start our online business as well, and we are going to just replace our physical shop and businesses and just convert that into online business. I believe 2021 is a very large field for the artificial intelligence, about the automation, and also about robotic. And I can also suggest you that data science is also related to that one. If you want to learn some skills and you want to get job from that skill, I believe that you have to learn programming, especially about the artificial intelligence, data science and robotic, because that is emerging, like going to be very successful categories regarding to programming, and it will create a lot of jobs for you in future, and we are going to see in near future, which is 2021. And if you are going to learn and if you want to just increase your skill, then you have to learn about the programming, especially related to artificial intelligence, robotic and data science. And I am also giving you some example that Tesla is also coming very successful in 2020, and in 2021 it is also getting a lot of positive feedback from the people all around the world, and therefore they are making like Tesla automotive, which is driverless vehicles, and they are just moving all around the world without anyone who is driving. Okay, now for that they need a lot of skilled people who know how to do that stuff, and they are going to hire and they will get a lot of salary. Therefore, it will be very easy for you to get any job in future, like in upcoming 2021. How we can ignore web development and also app development. And web development is like, I believe that it will go down and app development will go up, and it will like increase its possibility to reach most of the people, because nowadays we can see that every individual has a mobile phone and they are going to use that device. Therefore, if you want to target all those people, you need to make your reach to all those people with the help of the devices. And I believe that many like businesses will come and target also mobile user as well. Therefore, they required mobile app development. And if you are like app development and you are going to build iOS or Android app development, then in future you will get job easily, or you can be a freelancer who can just make thousands of dollars per month, and they are going to get easily job as well, because the demand of app development and mobile app development will increase dramatically. Everyone has mobile phones and they require different application for different purposes. Therefore, if you are going to be one of the successful programmer or developer, then you should not ignore mobile app development. You have either skill or business, you should also start your YouTube channel as well, because you can see that online digital marketing is increasing day by day, and everyone required to reach targeted people by online resources. Therefore, if you are going to create, or if you are going to make your YouTube channel, it will be easy for you to target all those people who are interested in your product or in your skill. For example, if I'm giving a lesson about the freelancing, then I'm targeting all those people who are interested in freelancing. And if you are, or if you have a business related to car, then you have to start your YouTube channel related to car. And when you are going to review about that car or about that product or about that skill, then those people who are interested, they will give you feedback. And also there is great chances where the people can hire you as well directly from your YouTube channel, and you can also sell your product directly to your YouTube subscriber, who will be converted as a customer for you when you are going to give a genuine review about that product. I believe that if you want to grow your business, either it is e-commerce, either it is your skill or your freelancing career, you have to create your YouTube channel as well, where you are going to give information to the people for the free, and you have to build your trust to your subscriber and followers. Once you will get that trust, then it will be easy for you to just sell all your products to your subscriber as a customer very easily. I believe freelancing is also one source of income or online earning, and if you want to be freelancer, there is no doubt that you can work from your home, but freelancing could be a part-time job. You can start your business, and while you are busy with your business, you have to just maintain and just run that business. But whenever you will get time for your time or extra time, then you have to just get some project as a freelancer as well to make extra money as well. And I am not going to recommend you for just completely indulge yourself to the freelancing, because freelancing is a way where you may not be able to continue your career continuously, because it is active income where it is also difficult, and you have to be actively indulge with that project where you have to complete the requirement according to the client. Therefore, I think if you have all these skills, then you should also implement that as a freelancer if you have extra time. I hope all this video will give you a positive sense and also a hint that what you are going to do in 2021 to make money online. And if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe that and also thumbs up, and don't forget to just ask any question in comment box below if you have in your mind. For now, give me permission to say goodbye.